Mama said I should stop acting weird. I'm being too loud, it's just me and my depression beard. Who are you now? More is less and less, the less appears. Feeling chewed up, but I guess I got some ends to share.
Oh god, that's the death fog, goddamn. Holy shit.
Dude, but at night, so they're revved up. And Judy Gold was hosting. It was in the old TRL studios. Yep. So it was like, I'm like in there like, oh shit, I used to watch TRL.
1515?
Yeah, 1515 Broadway. This is where they like wave at everybody. Yeah. Yeah, dude.
Of course.
So I'm the last comic on the night, and Judy Gold is hosting. And I just remember her going, everyone else was a mom on the show. Mm-hmm. Everyone else was like, you know, when I go out, my daughter says that the security was concerned about food and beverages being brought into the theater but did not catch Loby's guns. Witnesses described Loby as nervous and kind of creepy.
Yeah, you see it says dated.
Okay.
Two counts of shock jocking.
Me and Darren found guilty on 2 counts of shock jock.
That Russian kid whose mom's head got taken off in the Jeep just puts a case. Value lifetime trading. You can trade up your diamond studs anytime and receive exactly what you paid towards a new pair. Plus, fast and free shipping both ways. Steven also has the best guarantee in the business. Full 100-day, 100% no hassle money back guarantee. Shop now for Christmas with no risk. Go to IHateStevenSinger.com. Click on his Anita Diamond Stud earrings or visit Steven's showroom at the other corner of 8th and Walnut in Philly. Buy real diamonds from a real jeweler you can trust. Steven Singer Jewelers. That's I Hate Steven Singer.